could see the pain in my eyes. 15, cracker gave me some time. Lost my brother, I was losing my mind. Fake love left the niggas behind. Buying anxious to sell them as dimes.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Vonnie back for another video. Today we about to be reacting to types of AUX cord users. When I get in the car, I be using I be playing my Young Boy, my Drake, and I be lit. But I be trying to make sure everybody hear the best parts of the song.
Sometimes I be skipping that shit. Sometimes, you know, I be running through the sticks and
But anyways, we about to react to this video is by This video is by Love Live Serves. The link to their video is gonna be down in the description down below. Without further ado, I gotta show you what headphones I got. Shit. The countdown to Florida is coming, boy. We finna be going to Florida soon, so you know what we finna do. We gonna get into this video.
It's your boy Rhino. You guys are watching Love Live Serve. Thank you for watching this video, man. Thank you for coming to the channel. If you're new, how you doing? Let us know in the comments.
I'm new.
We're always replying back to people. We read every comment. If you've been here, you're the best. Serve Squad. Family. You read the title. Types of AUX cord users. This I feel like is so popular nowadays. Everybody has their own taste in music. Guys, comment your favorite artists right now, whether it be country, hip hop, reggae, alternative. Comment your favorite artist below. And let's go ahead and get right into the video. Types of
Everybody know my favorite artist. Drake out that hoe.
The guy who plays a weird
finna get lit.
Alright, bro. Here's AUX.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
Let's put this on.
What the fuck?
Bro, what is this? What is this?
Bro, it's he. It's a cover. It's a cover.
Bro, give me the AUX.
No, wait.
Yeah, hell yeah. Take this shit away, cuz.
Mr. Bass Overload. Give you that.
Bet.
Alright, smoke perp.
Yeah, lean, double cup, bitch, I'm straight holding nuts. Smoking on booth and it's my weed. Sorry, bitch, I don't say sorry.
You can't even hear shit.
I been a rover like slow.
You nigga having a say. Bro, hold on. I know people out here that be having their bass boosted. I think they be on some remix shit. Where you go on YouTube and you can search up basses boosted and shit. But that shit get me tight, bro. Or they really put that shit in the AUX cord and start playing that shit like it's some fucking heat. That shit is ass.
The disappointing drop. Wait for it, here we go.
Oh, hey, here we go.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
Oh hell no.
What is this?
Bro, come on,
That shit was
1,000 miles.
exaggerated as
Hey,
fuck.
What just happened?
hey.
The lit one.
That shit definitely me when I get in the car. Hey, fuck, man, hold on, bro. Y'all trying to come at my boy Drake? I'm not light skinned. I feel like I'm brown skin. You feel me? But anyways, my boy Drake is nice, bro. Don't ever try to disrespect him in your life, cuz.
Bro, really? Can you change the song, please? You've been playing sad songs this whole drive.
Okay, jeez. Change it. It's Drake. It's Drizzy. Six God.
I've had enough.
Alright.
Exactly, man. What the fuck?
Bro, really?
What?
I said no more
all
sad
light skins
songs.
be playing sad ass songs.
Alright. What's wrong with this one?
I just can't bump to this.
Okay. Fine. I'll do something different.
Alright, you know what?
What's wrong with me?
I'm not saying this.
What's
car.
wrong?
I'm taking the keys.
It's Nick. Now that I'm alone, can't come to the phone. And I know it makes no sense.
Timothy.
Yo, Timothy, why don't you put some on the aux real quick?
Can we just get there?
Timothy, come on. I wanna
distract me.
I want to see what's on your playlist, man. Come on.
Whatever.
Well, let's see what you got, man. This should
Hell,
be
no, you
good.
finna have some whack shit.
Cruising down the street with a freak, chopper on the seat, AK with a beam, let it eat, bust it on repeat. Nigga talking talk, but he's sweet. Had to on my heat.
Nigga surprised as fuck. I thought he was gonna play some crazy, weird shit.
The guy from Jersey.
You up?
Oh yeah, that's me. That's
Cool,
me.
thanks. I don't know if you heard this
Let's
song.
get
Have
it.
you?
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Little Buddha action. You know what I'm saying?
My jank.
Nah, I never heard of
Be
it.
like candles to this.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Beat it up like.
Hey. That's fucking facts, bro. That's fucking facts, bro. That's fucking facts, nigga. Bro, everybody from New Jersey, they know that shit is fucking facts, bro. I like this shit, bro. Let's go, bro.
The country music
Hey.
listener who ruins everything. Cool, here you go.
Bro, we gotta run that shit back. We gotta run that shit back, bro. This shit is just that shit fucking heat, bro.
The country music listener who ruins
Bro, they
everything.
got that shit on
Cool, here
point,
you go.
bro. Real talk.
Sweet.
Off to the mall.
Whiskey makes my baby. Whiskey,
No, turn this
whiskey,
shit up.
whiskey.
Turn this
Hold
shit
on, hold on. Don't try to roast me. Don't try to roast me like I didn't know that song, bro. Back when I was in like 5th grade, I know this one black kid. He used to be, I ain't gonna say no names, but he used to be playing, he used to be singing this shit over and over. Back to the video.
Whoa,
What the hell is this?
wrong?
What the f? Get the f out of the car. Get the f out of the car.
This is my car.
Get the f out now.
Wait, what did I do?
Nigga playing some bum ass shit, bro. Get
The guy who
nigga out
puts
the-
on some trash, but it's so trash that it's fire.
Here you go.
Thank you.
What, he about to play a little poem?
Keep this car up, man.
It's about to be a furnace in here.
You always have the best songs, to be honest. Bro.
Gotta take that call. They want you at work, so go do your job. Hit or miss. I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss ya. You play with the balls like it's FIFA.
You on every level, you're the leader. Ooh, you used to work.
The white girl who plays white girl music.
Can I please have the AUX? Please? I promise I'll play good music.
He already knows
Okay,
some
just please
bullshit
none of
finna
that,
get
like,
put on her.
freaking Adele. Jeez.
See the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello.
This is what I was talking about. We don't play it. No.
Little do I know.
The guy who put on a Danielle Bergoli song.
I don't know why you kicked me
Hey.
out of the car. I was just trying to play
Hey,
the song.
man.
It was one of her different songs. And, you know, I was playing it, I was joking. It wasn't even that serious. You know, let me give it a...
Hey, man. Hey, that shit came to my heart.
Hi bitch, hi bitch, hi bitch, hi bitch. I do not sniff it to roll it. Nope. It do not drip when I pull it. No. I do not run, I reload it. No. I do not save it, I throw it.
And he took my car. Bro. All right, well, that's the end of the video. Let's go to the outro. Ah. Oh, what's up, guys? Oh, I'm doing the outro. Rhino, oh, right, he took my car. Oh, well, guys, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the post
They ain't even let
notifications.
them play this
Recently,
song,
we've been
bro.
having some problems with the post notifications. It's becoming a YouTube epidemic. We don't know why they've done this, but make sure when you hit the bell, it's gonna pop up options.
Alright, bro. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Leave a like in the comments down below. And then, you know, I'm gonna post some more videos every single day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this last reaction video. And anything else I gotta say? Ain't nothing else. Because, you know, that's the end of the video. So, everybody, hold on.
That nigga came out, that what happened? What happened, little nigga, what happened? It's Mr. Geeked Up, I'm never not lying. I stay with my twin like my name was Shannon. Black in my fish and no pen color salmon.
Damn.
I got first biggest in this time.